Lizzie. Careful, it's not the front stomach. That should be big. Looks small in the store, huh?
Yeah, it looks smaller in the box, but it looks pretty good size. Now that it's unboxed, now we can start adding accessory pieces.